That's a subject close to my heart because in last more than 2 decades of my practice as a consultant OBGYN, I always felt that many a times, and as I'm in a branch which is kind of a social branch to deal with families while they celebrate the birth of newborn, or women's health, wherein most of the time in India, the women are not decision maker and the family has to decide what sort of therapy and where. So I always used to say that it's a social branch for us. And the emotional aspect of anybody's health has direct connect to the physical health. That I learned from the philosophy of Louis Hay with much deeper understanding. Simply giving an example of a backache or menopausal symptoms of insomnia or crying spells, when you go deep down with emotional history taking, there may be some suppressed emotion that gets manifested as bodily problem. So same stands true for cancer. And what you asked me, that once somebody has got a diagnosis of cancer, what next? There also comes the role of compassion and emotion. So the way you guys at Zen Onco says love heals cancer, Louis Hay said love is the miracle cure. Louis Hay caught up with cervical cancer in 1980 and she started working on emotions of her own. And she worked a lot at deeper level on emotional release and could conquer the cancer. And she lived up to 30th August 2017. That comes to 37 years post-cancer. So Louis Hay philosophy has tremendous impact if someone is ready to believe in that philosophy. And the philosophy is based on it's safe to look within, be aware of your emotions, identify them. It's okay to feel the emotion, express them, and release them. That is how, if you are entangled into the suppressed emotion that is damaging each single cell of your body, start talking to them, befriend, and sort it out. So Louis Hay's philosophy is been titled Heal Your Life, which is also compiled as a book in more than 15 languages across globe. So I keep offering such sessions one-on-one and to the group and to the cancer survivor group that we run. So this is a philosophy that takes you through the mind-body connect pattern and the possible thinking pattern or emotional pattern, and she gives an affirmation to overcome those limiting beliefs. So the crux of the story is if you can change your thinking pattern, you can change your disease pattern. If you can change your belief system, you can change your life. I personally believe that the science and spirituality goes hand in hand. Mind and body goes hand in hand. So stands true for a healthcare provider. That being a gynecologist, my specialty work is OBGYN. But I need to go back to that basics of clinical practice, wherein the general examination also plays a part, wherein I also need to be a counselor. I also need to be a person who can give that assurance that, hey, I'm there with you. And that suffices. So it's not all of the patients. It truly not to see the patient as an object or knowing them by the number of the file or the case number. It's all about knowing them by their name and much beyond that, looking into their eyes and connecting and then reaching to their hearts, always help them heal faster. My practice pattern is that every prescription has got an affirmation. And I make sure that the medicine need goes minimum. And when they come to my office, it doesn't look like even a hospital. It should give them a feel of being at a place that gives and radiates peace and joy. So a shorter prescription, a little longer counseling, making them understand and helping them connect to their own heart and helping them look within. Because, digging out your deep down emotions can also be painful. So when patients, even of cancer, when they travel within and try to find out quite a lot of suppressed emotion, it gives them a huge downfall. And then they need someone to hold them. And that kind of hand holding, we all, may it be Zen Onco, may it be Sparsh Foundation or Surgeon Healthcare, everywhere we can do that in bits and pieces. And I'm sure that with the divine orchestration, many such scattered activities come together and can have huge impact to nurture happy, healthy society.